They wanted us to act out violently. And that's the worst thing to do, because the act of violence is what they want. They want us to look bad so that they don't have to assassinate our characters. We would be doing it ourselves. Look at this beautiful bird. I can't with the beautiful birds today. They're just gorgeous. And they're eating and they're enjoying the day. Let me go on the other side of this wood glass so you guys can see. So this is the natural birds chirping. If you look at some of my other videos, you'll hear this synthetic bird chirping. It was so loud and so repetitive that you could tell it was an artificial chirping sound. Isn't this just beautiful? So